2. Ever wondered about that explosive sneeze you just had? Well, get ready for some mind-blowing facts. First off, how fast is a sneeze? Some say it can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. But recent studies suggest it's probably closer to 10 miles per hour. Still pretty impressive, right? And here's a weird one. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Tense. It's an involuntary reflex to protect your eyes from whatever you're expelling. Also, have you ever heard of a photic sneeze reflex? That's when bright light makes you sneeze. About 1 in 4 people have it. And why do we say God bless you? The tradition might have started during ancient plagues as a way to wish someone good health, so next time you let out a big A to you, you'll know all the fascinating science behind it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts.